Good morning, good morning. This is Keto Granny. In this video, you all, I'm going to share a meal that I made. It very easy, quick keto meal, low carb, very delicious, and it's one of my favorite meals, my chicken fried steak. So let's go ahead and get started and cook this meal with me. So easy. I'll show you what I ate, how I made my meal. Let's go ahead and get started. Sometimes people have problems with making food choices. I find myself doing that a lot sometimes, you all. So I just basically choose a good steak that I like, go ahead and tenderize it and add, some seasonings to my meat and everything, and I cook it like that. Now, when I cook, I use avocado oil, especially if I'm doing any type of a frying or um, sauteing. I use avocado oil as one of the favorite oils that I like to use. So in this video, I'm sharing with you me making my meal and letting you know just some of the different meals that you can make. So let's just go ahead and get started on this video, and I hope that you will enjoy it.
Why are you going back and forth? I can't keep up with your mood swings. What is troubling your mind? Are you doing this just to test me? I'm bad at handling this type of thing. Why I don't get it, you say it's a man thing. Babe, I wanna be around. I just wanna make your heart sing. But you're not letting me get through to you. Yeah. If you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. I'll do. Come on, baby. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I would love to take you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I would love to take you to a place you've never been. What is troubling your mind? Baby, why can't you just tell me? I just wanna be your bride, wanna be. I wanna give our love wings. You're not letting me, get through to you. Yeah, if you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. I'll do. Love you, I will
Okay, so my dinner's cooking. This is an easy meal today. Here I have my keto chop steak. Let me see if I can have my keto chop steak. This one is made with almond flour, and these are made with regular flour, but everything is cooked in avocado oil. Also for the husband, I have some potatoes cut up on the back, which I'll make him some gravy to go with that. And with mine, I'll have some broccoli and cheese. Very, very simple and easy meal today. This is my meal for tonight. Last meal of the day. I got about 30 minutes to eat this. So I have a chopped steak, 4 strawberries, and some broccoli and cheese. Very, very easy and very, very simple meal. Okay, this is Kenny's meal. Time to eat.